Welcome to MailsDaddy. How to convert EDB to PST? Go to official website of MailsDaddy software and download the EDB converter. Install and run the software. Click on Add EDB button and browse the location of EDB mailbox. After scanning the mailbox, user can view the data of the folder. You can also select the Office 365 and Live Exchange export formats for EDB. To export the data in bulk from EDB to Outlook PST format, click on Export Multiple and select Outlook PST. Select all mailboxes and press the Next button. Browse the destination to save exported EDB data. All filters are optional for the user, so you can directly click on Next button. You can see that the migration process is running on the software screen, so wait until it shows the confirmation window. Once this is done, you can go to the destination and enjoy your Outlook PST data file.
Thanks for watching.